Here we have a 14 station triplex by Lockformer. It's a 16 gauge, serial number 1096. This is a 14 station machine. It does the large Pittsburgh. It does the corner drive cleat. It also does the bar lock and standing seam, male and female. I'm going to run these parts for you. I am doing this by myself, so please bear with me. Machine is wired 233 phase. This is the large Pittsburgh. This is hard to do by yourself, one-handed, but as you can see, it makes a very nice. That's a 16 gauge Pittsburgh lock. Here we have bar cleat. And you can tell it's a very smooth running machine. Extremely smooth, nice parts. This is the corner drive cleat, which is very unusual. Definitely a commercial machine. Somebody that's going to manufacture. Very nice. This came out of a union sheet metal shop. It was doing heavy construction. Next we have the standing seam, male and female. Also, if you shortened up on the standing seam, it would do the right angle flange. So you come back here and you simply take out this gauge and it shortens up the, or actually makes more metal go into the roll former. You take that out. This would be considered the female part of the standing seam. Turn this off. This is considered the male and female standing seam. Now this is very light sheet metal, but there's the end product. So you've got the standing seam, reinforced drive with, that's called the corner drive. And heavy gauge Pittsburgh, all in one machine. This machine is wired 233 phase and weighs approximately, I would guess, 4,000 pounds. Any questions? Please give us a call. 1-800-753-0393. If you need another part run or need to see something else, give us a call. Thank you very much.